Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 10. So what is VirtualBox? It is a software which allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single machine. Okay, so just open your web browser and go to this website called virtualbox.org, and this website link in the video description, you can check it out. And guys, if you want to learn more about the VirtualBox, you just need to click on this about and check this online version, the manual they have. As you can see, they have all the details. If you want to learn more about the VirtualBox, so you can read it over here. Okay, so it is a cross-platform virtualization application. So what does that mean? As you can see, it installs on your existing Intel or AMD based computers, whether they are running Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris operating system. So it extends the capabilities of your existing computer so that it can run, as you can see, multiple operating systems, okay, inside multiple virtual machines. So guys, you can take a look at it and you can learn more about this virtualization. Okay, so let me go to the website, because in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install it on Windows 10 computer. Okay, so as you can see that I have got this big download VirtualBox. Currently it is 5.2. in your case might be different if you are viewing this video in future. So guys, so if you want to see this download VirtualBox link over here, you just need to click on this downloads, and we are going to install on Windows 10. So just click on this Windows host. At the bottom left of my Chrome browser, you can see it's downloading, so it takes some time. So let me pause this video, and when it finishes I will come back. As you can see guys, the file has been downloaded. Just go to the folder where you have downloaded the file. So I'm using Chrome, so I just need to click on that and click on show in folder. So I downloaded it on my desktop. So let me go to my desktop. As you can see, this is the executables. So I just need to double click on it in order to run the setup file. Okay, so just double click on that and then click on next. Let it be default and click on next. Create a startup menu entries, create a shortcut on the desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register file associations. So let it be default, no problem. Click on next, and then as you can see, warning network interfaces, no problem, and then click on yes, and then click on install button. So as you can see guys, it's installing. So let it finishes. As you can see guys, Oracle VM VirtualBox 5.2.12 installation is complete. Click on the finish button, and we want to start it also, so let it be checked. Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. Click on the finish. Okay guys, so here you can see the interface of Oracle VM VirtualBox, and whenever you want to create virtual machine, you just need to click on new, and here you can see this window, create virtual machine, name and operating system. Please choose a descriptive name for the new virtual machine and select the type of operating system you intend to install on it. The name you choose will be used throughout VirtualBox to identify this machine. So make sure you use the any name that you can identify. Okay, so and here you can choose the type like Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, etc. So in Linux, let's see, they have different flavors like Debian, Red Hat, Ubuntu. Okay, so this is the tutorial only for downloading and installing VirtualBox on Windows 10. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel. That's it, thanks for watching, bye bye.